Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from dynamic programming, which is called target sum problem. Okay, so before solving this problem, you should know count the number of subset. Okay, for a target, for a particular target. So how many subsets are there for that target? So that one you should know, and this is just similar to that. Okay, we will transform this problem into that, and the solution will be same. Okay, so I'll explain you what is the problem. So you would be given integer array. Okay, and let's say this is your integer array, where you have given 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 5 times 1. Okay, after that target is given to you is 3. Okay, let's say target is 3. So now you have two signs. One is plus, positive, and second is negative. You have to place it somehow in this elements that the target become 3. Okay, so for example, first you can find you can place them like this. Okay, everything plus 1, and then last one will be minus 1. Okay, everything will be plus 1, means we have 5 ones, right? So 4 times 1 minus 1. So you can place this. So this one will 3. Okay, now what is next? You can place this one. This one will be plus 1, remaining will be plus 1. Okay, so you can place like this also. Here also this one will be 3. Then minus you can place here, then here, then here. So 5 ways. So you need to find. So the output will be 5 here. Okay, you need to do that. So we can do one thing. Okay, we know that sum of array. Can I say something like this? For by looking this, you can say that you have positive numbers, and then you have few negative numbers. Okay, and then it's a sum will be target. Correct? For example, if I in one bracket I will write all the positive numbers. Okay, and in another bracket I will write all the negative numbers. That sum will be the target. It means that p plus n equal to target, right? And you also know that if I not p plus n, p minus n. Okay, so this one will be p minus n, all the positive numbers minus all the negative numbers. Okay, so p minus n equal to target. That is the first expression. And then second one is all the positive number plus all the negative number will be your total sum of the array. Correct? So now you have two conditions. All the positive number minus all the negative number will be your target, and then all the positive number, all the negative number, if you find the summation, then it will be equivalent to total sum of the number, right? So if I add these two numbers, so this one will be 2p, this one and this one will get cancelled out, and here it will be target plus total sum. Okay, so it means that number of positive numbers, okay, its sum will be target plus total sum divided by 2, right? So don't you think this is the problem? Now what you need to do, you will find target plus total sum divided by 2. Okay, and so it means that this problem became count subset whose sum is p equivalent to p. You found this, the value of p will be this one, right? Have you convert this problem into this count subset sum, right? Count subset whose sum is equivalent to p, this one. Correct? So this is your question. 5 times 1 and the target is 3, so sum is 5, right? Now target plus sum divided by 2. What is target? 3. Sum is 5, so 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 2 will be 4. So p is equal to 4. So now this problem converted into count subset with sum 4. Okay, so here this is the solution for this, and we have already discussed this problem. This is ditto same problem, count subsets. Okay, so you just apply that. Thank you.